Sixth duel of the night. Yes. We're doing it on Omega. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the tech list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. Dude! Oh, that's it. Good old-fashioned red eyes. Dark Dragoon is gonna upstart Goblin. Yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna wait for the negate, and I will discard Alpha. Nunu, the OGDOADIC. Oh my god, I don't know these ones. What does this guy do? Reptile monsters, okay. Except what? Go ahead. Probably should have orange lit. Check the art. This one looks like a cobra. What is that? Is this snake rain? Send 4 reptile monsters. I don't know, it seems like a lot. Snake rain, negate, Dragoon negate, discard Alpha, gaining 1000. Since it was on the field and I destroyed it. Oh wait, what the fuck's going on here? What the heck is going on? Sure. Let's do it. Flawless. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, he quit. He surrendered. And now I can't do nothing here. Well, the only thing I can do is surrender, but I'm not gonna surrender. I'm just gonna quit the game, and hopefully I don't lose my rank. I'll press the Windows button. Let's close it out. Pull it up again. Checking my ranking. I was at 1223. Game is loading up. Play online. 1223. 1323. 1333. 140. 140 still. So I went up by 10. Did not lose my rank. If that happens to you guys, don't surrender. Just exit the game, and so you don't lose your rank. I don't know if you surrender, do you lose your rank? I don't want to find out if I do, so I know that way you don't. Comment, share, like if you saw this other flag. See you guys.